What's good, y'all? This is day 7 of the small account challenge, where I started out with $895, and I'm gonna turn it into wherever I want to take it. So day 7, finishing up, $92.50 realized, and net P&L $89.40. Not too many plays. Only play was ATER, as y'all can see. Could have nailed this stock, man. Made almost like 400. But gotta play it safe. It wasn't trading smooth, as y'all can see. But this thing is up like $2-3 a share from my entries, which is good. But I'm also show y'all the trades I did on day 6. I wasn't able to make a video on that, but I lost like 200, something like that. But let's get into it. So as y'all can see, I seen this dip, and then when it reclaimed, I started to get in long. Got in long at $13.97, and added at 14, and I sold it into the pop at $14.40. Nice trade. At the open, it spike, drop. I started getting in long because I figured it was gonna bounce. At $14.65, $14.64, went down lower than I expected. So I said, when it bounces, I'm gonna just go ahead and get out, because it could make a lower high and fade off. I mean, you don't know at this point. So I just played it safe. I sold it into the pop, and then once I sold it, this thing just took off, and I was like, dang. See, but if my entry was at like $14.40, $14.50, I would have held it, because I would have had a better entry. But my entry was like damn near like $14.70, so I had to play it safe. And that was about it for those 2 trades, man. 2 winners, and my winning percentage should go up. And then on day 6, I traded IC, man. IC crashing right now, but this was a highly instituted owned stock, and basically I was longing it, and let me see. Okay, right here, I longed it on this big deal, made a small profit, then I flipped short. I don't have no clue why I did that. I do. The timing sales was looking kind of weak, and that was the trick they was pulling. I got fooled on that, and then ended up squeezing more, so I got squeezed out, taking a loss. So I was up 90, then it put me down like 180 after that squeeze, and then they dipped down, and then I went long right here in the 420s. It dipped down more. It spiked up. I could have took the game, but I said, man, this thing can really spike. It crashed. I ended up getting out, and then it ripped up, man. Kind of pissed me off, because I had the right idea. So I sold it for a small loss. Could have been a big winner, and I didn't chase it at all. I waited for this big pullback. It happens like that sometimes. And then when it bounced right here, I got short. It kept going up. I got out, and then it ended up crashing. Could have made another game, but I said screw this stock, so I was done with it. Here goes the analytics on this trade. Well, my overall challenge. I'm using chart log. So the first 4 days, green days, and the last 2 was red days, and then today a green day. This should boost my winning percentage up to 70% after today. As y'all can see, I was 100%. Then day 5, I took that loss, $300 loss, 54% win rate, and then day 6, 25%. 11 trades, too many trades, but I was trying to make my money back. I almost did. So in September, I got five green days counting today, and 2 red days, which is good, but I have to minimize the red days. Insight, so I'm still up green, net $218. It got to a high of 421. Started right here, and then that built it all the way up to $889. And then the 2 red days brought me down to 218, as y'all can see right here. So after today, it should be at like $300 and something. So gotta move back in the right direction. Winning percentage is good. I at least want to stay at like 70% winning percentage. Most traders can't stay at 70%. So that's good for me. Gotta minimize the losses. My biggest profit is bigger than my biggest loss. I do want to keep that like that, but I do want to minimize the losses more, to at least like $100 and something. And yeah, that's the stats of the channel so far. Looking to build this thing back up. Took a minor setback, but looking to get it back right. So that's it for day 7. Look forward for day 8. And y'all got any questions, let me know. Stay safe. Hopefully the markets can get hot. And that's it. Peace.